neighbouring high. I actually puffed. That's actually the part that I love about hiking. I get really puffed climbing up these hills. Still got a bit of a cold. Check out this view from here. Let's see what's down here. Yeah, you know how I was saying earlier, should have brought the drone. You don't really know who's going to knock you off though. It didn't say no drones though, eh? But still. Where's that car park down there? Oh yeah. Another car park. Must be a few car parks we can start. Different areas of the circuit. Bit of road hiking to get to the next trail. Gonna climb up there. Here we go. Missions, what not to do. That's what I have to climb. Alright, I need to put my phone away. Should run this trail running. Now I'm filming all of this with my iPhone. Yeah. Thank God it's not too hot. Like, it's a beautiful day. But I wouldn't want to do this on a 40-degree day. Yeah. Or maybe I would actually, because you can go for a swim here. Bit hard. I found it a bit hard to climb that hill because I feel all chesty from my Ronas. No, I don't have Ronas. From my cold. Just an FYI guys, I tested negative, so I don't have coronavirus. I just have a bit of a flu or a cold. Got it on Christmas Day. I started feeling it coming up on Christmas Day. Yeah, I started feeling it on Christmas Day. A bit of a sore throat. And then I woke up the next day, sore throat, blocked everything. So I think I relaxed for about 4 or 5 days on the couch, just trying to get over this bloody cold that I have. Got tested, all negative, so which was good. And then after I cleared up, after New Year's, Hill got it off me. Far out. But he's coming right. So we thought we'd do a bit of a hike around the Werribee Gorge just to, you know, sweat it out a bit, get a little bit of cardio in. I got my F45 class in this morning, which was a weight training, Liberty weight training for those of you that know. Yeah, it's just sort of 3 down and 3 up. So it was a good class this morning. Oh, now the flies are coming out. Oops. I just realised I was filming with the wrong hand. One of those net things come in handy. Okay, here we go. This is what we're going to bulk up now. So where are we? We just follow the signs to Werribee Gorge Circuit Walk. This way. I'm going to walk up this hill here. Okay. I'll see how much of it I can film before I die. Gasping for air. No, I think I want to enjoy it. I'm going to stop filming. Okay, that's where we're going, guys. Up that hill. Oh yeah. Raitea forest with mud here. Okay, another hill. Here we go. Just trees and trees and trees around here. Another climb. Done a rugby blow. Anybody know what a rugby blow is? Those of you that don't know what a rugby blow is, rugby blow your nose. The old cht, cht. So we stopped for a bit of water, had a bit of a laugh about how fucked those two hills are. But in a good way. Here we go. So yeah, we just stopped for a little bit to blow our nose and have a drink of water, make sure we're on the right circuit. So we just checked we're heading in the right direction. There's an eastern viewpoint that way. We've already stopped, so we're going to keep going. I'm going to climb up this hill. Another hill. Lovely. Here we go. Spot here. Flat spot here. We're just cruising. I did actually turn my workout app on, my hiking app, so that will give us some times. We have stopped though, kind of on the way, but it's not like we're challenging ourselves with the timing. We've never done this hikoi before, so I was just curious to see how long it would take us. I read some reviews, it takes some people about 3 to 4 hours. One lady said it took her 2 hours, but she kind of trail ran it. So yeah, I reckon 3 hours is good. Nice hikoi around the Werribee Gorge. Good to get in the, get out and about in the outdoors and smell that fresh air and just be in nature and be very grateful for life and happy there's no snakes crawling around or grizzly bears like the PCT. Not that I've been on the PCT, but from all the videos I've seen, whew, yeah, watch out. You don't want to be bear dinner or rattlesnake dinner. So what do we have to contend with in Australia? Victoria, snakes and flies. God, they can be a pain in the ass. The other day I went for a run and I had a fight with a fly and just about ran into a pole. Oops, sorry, my phone's a bit shaky. Ants are massive up here. Wouldn't want to get bitten by those. But look at that. Just nice to be away from the burbs and out in the middle of nowhere in a way. Downhill now. And you know, the only thing that bothers me about hiking is always going down. It's not really about climbing up. I love it. Love that leg workout, but not keen on going fucking down. I'm gonna stop filming, guys. I'm gonna stop right So in a couple of days we're doing the promontory, Wilson Promontory 3-day hike. Ooh, that's gonna be a killer. That's gonna kick us in the ass. Yeah, I wanted to do it before I start walking. Hiking down on these rocks. On these rocks with me accent. My accent. Whew, some of these are sharp. You wouldn't want one of these. Wouldn't want to slip and your bum fall on one of these. There you go, guys. At least you know on the Werribee Gorge you've got to wear good shoes. We have good shoes. I love my shoes. New Balance. New Balance heroes. Doesn't matter what colour they are, guys. Get them. Get it, girl. Get it. Yeah. So, it's not like this all the way around, but it is rocky. So, at least you know when you do the Werribee Gorge, you need some good shoes, some water, and you've got mobile service up here too. So I've been Instagramming while walking around, so it's all good. So you're safe. And I'd say if you came up here alone and you hurt yourself, there's someone here to help you. It's quite busy up here. There's a lot of people walking the circuit at all different times. So you're pretty safe. Alright guys, I'm going to turn this off and concentrate on not falling over. I'll be back. We've just come down from up there. And we're going down. Oops.
Morning.
Morning.
Morning. And we're going up there. No, I actually don't know. Yeah, I'm just making sure that I just stay on the rock cliff, or what do we call this?
It's what you call a saddle.
The saddle. Oh yeah. The ridge. That's American, isn't it?
I don't know.
Oh,
We call it a saddle? Or do they call it a saddle?
I know.
I don't know.
I'm sure if there is an American that sees our video, they'll correct us. Which is cool. Which is cute. Oh, this part's intense.
Yeah, down around that way if you want. Well, this is a big drop over here.
Let me see. Okay. Yeah. I wouldn't want to fall down there.
No. Nobody's falling into that. No, I'm not falling.
The vibes are just too good up here. When the vibes feel good and you have respect for the land, you should have a very good hike. Whoop. Okay, turning off to concentrate. Just see some water down there. Yeah, the water. Look at that. Gee, that part there, if it was more greener, would be so look a little bit like Hawaii. Okay. Nice and easy. Less rocks down this little hill. Some more signs up saying where we're at. I love how it's got this emergency marker here. Call 000 and quote WER 007. It's like clearly your location for maybe a helicopter, an ambulance, and you know, American people would think it would be 911, and some countries it's 111. Okay, well at least we're lower.
Yeah.
I mean, the altitude was getting to me. Alright, I'm just going to walk down here because I feel a little on uneven ground, and grab a water. So we just came from up there and made our way all the way down. Still got quite a bit to go, eh? Oh, is this the tree? Oh, we should have went around that way. Yeah, one of the guys told us that there was a tree had fallen on the path, so to take a different path. Come around. Yes. Did it. I think I was saying earlier that I'm filming from my iPhone 11, just with no gimbal or anything, so it's hard to walk with a steady hand. I didn't bring a gimbal, I didn't bring anything for a selfie stick or anything like that, so that's what we're doing, guys. Big rock. This is a nice path, nice and sandy. Well, sandy, dirty, less rocks. And the breeze is beautiful and cool. Love this part of the Heumate. Oh, they look like blackberries. Oh, someone hasn't been weeding the garden. Look at these weeds.
Oh,
There you go. You can go for a bit of a swim. Not today though, not today. Okay, I'll just film there. Bit of a rocky path. Now if I was a young 20-year-old I'd be able to fly over this. Well, I'm not. I'm a young 40-year-old. 46-year-old actually. Ooh, 47 this year. Exciting. 50 is the new 30. My nose is a bit runny. Forgot to bring tissues. Ooh. Taking my time. Okay. Yep. All good. Bit of a funky smell around here. Oops, stuck on that rock. Okay, alrighty. More hill. And then down again. Doing a bit of a cocoa. Watercress in there?
Nope.
Paths are quite tricky. Little pathways by the water. Something to look forward to, guys. Just take your time, be careful. See, it's gonna slowly open up. See, you don't have much to walk on. But if you were to fall, it'll be only a small one. There we go. Runny nose. Alright, I've got to do a rugby blow. Hold up. That was a successful rugby nose blow. I took my glasses off this time so I didn't get all over my frame. my glass frame. It's the thing, I still have a bit of a cold, so I'm still real congested. Really congested. Okay. Oh, someone still made it down here to at least graffiti a rock, eh? Wow. I'm not going to film that. What, and give them marketing, market them through my... Nope, I don't want to. I don't want to. I don't want to film that. I want to film that graffiti. Kaka graffiti. Okay. Oh, that water looks beautiful. Yeah, if I had my gear, I'd just so jump in there. Yeah, Araroa 2023. So we have this goal to hike as much as we can between now, which is 2021, we're in January 2021 in the new year to October 2023, and we're going to begin our biggest hike ever in our whole life, and we're going to walk the Te Araroa, which is we'll start at the at the Cape, and make our way down to the bluff. So we'll walk all the way through the North Island down to the South Island. Cannot wait. So excited. Hopefully COVID doesn't restrict us from doing that. So yeah, that's our hiking goal. We're probably going to start in Spirits Bay. Are you waiting for someone? Oh, you want me to pass? People coming? Okay, so I'm going to move out of the way. Kapuwairua is where we're going to start. Right, here's another little tricky part. Right, go very slow because I've got one hand holding a camera and one hand trying to balance me and guide me across the rocks. That really beautiful. So this is our pathway, guys. Go slow, take it easy. I love my phone very much, so I'm not dropping it in the water. I will not drop it in the water. And I have awesome shoes on. It's not going to stop me. I have good shoes on, so I know I won't slip. Let me just jump over to Insta. Ooh, watch out here, it's a bit wet. Alright, we have to climb along there on the rope. Here we go. I don't think I should film and do that. Do a pack and health check. How are we feeling?
Yeah.
Feel good?
That's fine.
Yeah.
Actually get a million steps.
Health good? Oh, my feet are good.
A million? A million steps in what? In 100 days? In a day? Well, think about it.
She's got a long way to go. She's got heels on. I know. Okay. Do you think she heard us? I don't know. She speaks a different language. But she's got dress shoes on. Guys, don't wear dress shoes. Don't wear dress shoes. So we go down here. That path there goes to that short circuit, and we're on the gorge circuit. Werribee Gorge. Werribee. Oh, like I was saying earlier, get scared going down. Happy to go up. Skitties to go down. But it's a bridge. Oh, just walking up this hill. I stopped halfway. I think this is halfway.
Oh, I hope it is.
Oh, fuck my life.
before.
I think if this is the hardest hill to climb, the last bit, then maybe it's better to go around this way first.
Oh, I don't know, that other one on the other side was pretty rough.
Yeah, that was pretty tough, but that was our first.
I mean, the one we came down.
Okay, here we go. Still climbing. Oh, that's good. Okay, guys, that was a huge climb. Had to turn the camera off to focus on getting up. Oh, look, sweating like anything. Man, it feels amazing. Yeah, all wet. We have been walking for just about 3 hours and we're on 7k, so we're just about done. This is a 7.5k walk, so we're not far away. We're getting there. We are done, guys. Made it to our car park. 2 hours and 54 minutes. And we walked, hang on, K's, just checking. 7.32 kilometers. And average BP was 151. And I don't understand this, 2,916 kilojoules is what I burnt off. So there you go, and it is 1:08. And we done. I think our car's parked down there a little bit further, and that car parked down the way there. Oh, your back's nice and wet.
Yep. Really wet.
Just down there. And that's the Werribee Gorge, guys. It's a good walk. I'm actually pretty wasted. Feel like a Big Mac burger and a Jim Beam and Coke.
Yeah.